Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. Which Renaissance artist is famous for painting The Last Supper? Is it A. Michelangelo, B. Leonardo da Vinci, or C. Raphael? It is B. Leonardo da Vinci. Which ocean surrounds the North Pole? Is it A. Pacific Ocean, B. Arctic Ocean, or C. Indian Ocean? It is B. Arctic Ocean. What financial term refers to the initial amount of a loan or investment? Is it A. Principal, B. Interest, or C. Dividend? It is A. Principal. Which shark species is known for being one of the largest predators in the ocean? Is it A. Great white shark, B. Hammerhead shark, or C. Tiger shark? It is A. Great white shark. What language was historically spoken by Ashkenazi Jews in Europe? Is it A. Hebrew, B. Yiddish, or C. Ladino? It is B. Yiddish. What term refers to organisms that produce their own food? Is it A. Primary consumers, B. Decomposers, or C. Primary producers? It is C. Primary producers. Which footballer won the Ballon d'Or in 2018? Is it A. Luka Modric, B. Cristiano Ronaldo, or C. Lionel Messi? It is A. Luka Modric. Which city has an underground cemetery built with the bones of over 6 million people? Is it A. Rome, B. Paris, or C. London? It is B. Paris. What is the name of Queen Victoria's husband? Is it A. George, B. Albert, or C. Edward? It is B. Albert. What term describes plant movement in response to touch? Is it A. Thigmotropism, B. Phototropism, or C. Geotropism? It is A. Thigmotropism. Which animated Disney movie is about a magical ice queen? Is it A. Frozen, B. Tangled, or C. Brave? It is A. Frozen. Which composer is known for the Blue Danube? Is it A. Johann Strauss, B. Ludwig van Beethoven, or C. Franz Schubert? It is A. Johann Strauss. Which South American country was named after an Italian city? Is it A. Brazil, B. Venezuela, or C. Argentina? It is B. Venezuela. What mathematical function describes the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side in a right triangle? Is it A. Sine, B. Tangent, or C. Cosine? It is B. Tangent. What type of animal feeds primarily on other animals? Is it A. Herbivore, B. Omnivore, or C. Carnivore? It is C. Carnivore. What particles are responsible for holding quarks together? Is it A. Electrons, B. bosons, or C. gluons? It is C. gluons. What investment vehicle pools money from investors to purchase securities? Is it A. Stock, B. Bond, or C. Mutual fund? It is C. Mutual fund. Which cryptocurrency platform was founded by Brian Armstrong? Is it A. Coinbase, B. Kraken, or C. Binance? It is A. Coinbase. What prestigious Chinese university is known for its engineering programs? Is it A. Tsinghua University, B. Peking University, or C. Fudan University? It is A. Tsinghua University. What Spanish festival involves the running of the bulls? Is it A. San Fermin, B. La Tomatina, or C. Las Fallas? It is A. San Fermin. What musical texture involves a single melody supported by harmony? Is it A. Polyphony, B. Monophony, or C. Homophony? It is C. Homophony. Who was the Prime Minister of Vietnam until 2021? Is it A. Nguyen Xuan Phuc, B. Vo Van Kiet, or C. Pham Minh Chinh? It is A. Nguyen Xuan Phuc. Which animated film features multiple versions of Spider-Man from different universes? Is it A. Spider-Man Homecoming, B. Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse, or C. The Amazing Spider-Man? It is B. Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. What is the capital city of Albania? Is it A. Sofia, B. Pristina, or C. Tirana? It is C. Tirana. What is the tallest building in the world located in Dubai? Is it A. Burj Khalifa, B. Shanghai Tower, or C. Empire State Building? It is A. Burj Khalifa. What is the closest star to Earth? Is it A. Proxima Centauri, B. Sun, or C. Sirius? It is B. Sun. What is the capital of Israel? Is it A. Tel Aviv, B. Haifa, or C. Jerusalem? It is C. Jerusalem. Who co-founded LinkedIn? Is it A. Mark Zuckerberg, B. Reid Hoffman, or C. Jack Dorsey? It is B. Reid Hoffman. Which percussion instrument consists of wooden bars struck with mallets? Is it A. Marimba, B. Xylophone, or C. Vibraphone? It is A. Marimba. What unusual natural phenomenon occurs in Norway and is known as the midnight sun? Is it A. Solar eclipse, B. Polar night, or C. Constant daylight? It is C. Constant daylight. What type of vehicle is powered by electricity and produces no direct emissions? Is it A. Hybrid car, B. Hydrogen car, or C. Electric car? It is C. Electric car. What term refers to the market where previously issued financial instruments are bought and sold? Is it A. Secondary market, B. Primary market, or C. Stock exchange? It is A. Secondary market. Which musical texture consists of a single melodic line without harmony? Is it A. Polyphony, B. Monophony, or C. Homophony? It is B. Monophony. Which cloud type has a bumpy bag-like appearance and often precedes thunderstorms? Is it A. Cirrus, B. Mammatus, or C. Stratus? It is B. Mammatus. What planet is the third from the Sun in our solar system? Is it A. Mars, B. Venus, or C. Earth? It is C. Earth. What lake is known as the deepest in Ontario, Canada? Is it A. Lake Superior, B. Lake Erie, or C. Lake Nipigon? It is C. Lake Nipigon. What celestial event occurs when the Earth comes between the Sun and the Moon? Is it A. Solar eclipse, B. Equinox, or C. Lunar eclipse? It is C. Lunar eclipse. Which Chinese dynasty is known for its cultural achievements and expansion of the empire? Is it A, Tang Dynasty, B, Ming Dynasty, or C, Han Dynasty? It is A, Tang Dynasty. What athletic event involves throwing a heavy spherical object? Is it A, shot put, B, hammer throw, or C, discus throw? It is A, shot put. Who is the president of Panama as of 2023? Is it A, Juan Carlos Varela, B, Laurentino Cortizo, or C, Ricardo Martinelli? It is B, Laurentino Cortizo. What is the capital of France? Is it A, London, B, Berlin, or C, Paris? It is C, Paris. What 1314 battle was a major Scottish victory over England? Is it A, Battle of Bannockburn, B, Battle of Stirling Bridge, or C, Battle of Falkirk? It is A, Battle of Bannockburn. What historical event began in the late 18th century and transformed industry worldwide? Is it A, Renaissance, B, Industrial Revolution, or C, French Revolution? It is B, Industrial Revolution. What large bear species is known for living in North America and having a distinctive hump on its back? Is it A, polar bear, B, grizzly bear, or C, black bear? It is B, grizzly bear. Which empire did Alexander the Great rule? Is it A, Roman Empire, B, Persian Empire, or C, Macedonian Empire? It is C, Macedonian Empire. What is the capital of Tonga? Is it A, Suva, B, Apia, or C, Nuku'alofa? It is C, Nuku'alofa. What U.S. university is located in Los Angeles and is known for its research programs? Is it A, University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA, B, Stanford University, or C, University of Southern California? It is A, University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA. Which sea is bordered by Sweden, Finland, and Estonia? Is it A, Baltic Sea, B, Black Sea, or C, North Sea? It is A, Baltic Sea. What is the capital of Belarus? Is it A, Riga, B, Minsk, or C, Vilnius? It is B, Minsk. Which philosophical theory emphasizes knowledge from sensory experience? Is it A, empiricism, B, rationalism, or C, idealism? It is A, empiricism. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.